Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn about the pivot table function that we will produce the report of sale that comparison from previous month to this current month. Here is the result that we are get. We can filter customer name and our pivot table file also filter the result. So we will learn how to use it. Okay, so we can go to sheet working. Here it is the sale report detail transition the whole year. So we have invoice date, invoice number, customer name, product category, payment term, and amount. We can format the amount by click Ctrl Shift paste number 4, and then we can insert between the invoice date to invoice number by rename each month, and we can write formula month so we will do pivot table by go to menu insert and click pivot table from table range. So here is the table 2 and we click OK. So here is the pivot file, and we can paste number into row, and then we click amount to can select here, and because we click amount to value, and then we click amount to value. Here we can write month, and here is amount. We can format our cell better by click value field setting for format the cell. We sum the number format and click accounting format. Okay. So in this column we right click and go to show value as by click percentage different from. So the best field is month, because we will compare month. Best item we click previous, because we would like to compare our sale current month to the previous month. So we click OK. So we will get the automatic of the percentage change from last month to this month. For our report better, we can go to custom format. We can go to condition formatting by click menu home, and then we go to condition formatting. We can go to icon set, so we can go to minute roll and double click, and here is the person. We can change to number, so it will compare the value is bigger than or equal 0, or the smaller than and equal to 0. So we click, we apply. Okay. So we will get when our data is increased from previous month, it will be green. if our data show minus, it is will show the red. In here we also can write more formula to highlight the biggest amount. As we can say right here is equal, we compare the row before equal max. We want to see the biggest. We press F4 and enter. Okay, and then we can copy this formula, and we just want to add more new rule. Use a formula to identify, and we pass the formula. Okay, we can write equal, and we format. We can select the field like this. Okay, format. Okay, so we can see the biggest of number, the biggest of number in here, and we can delete the formula. About our slideshow, we can click in pivot table, and then we go to pivot table analyst and click insert slide. Here the title of our table in our working will show all, so we will select customer name and product category. Okay, here we can change our color or design of our slide. Okay, we can change to any format that we like. Okay, the function of our slide here is for filter, and it also connected with our pivot table. For example, if we go to we click on customer A, and then the product category, it show only the transaction that customer A buy, and in our table chart it will show it will automatic filter only month that customer A buy. For example, is we have 4 months, and we can see our change. For example, in the first month that customer July, customer buy 1,100, and this next month this customer A buy 2,000. So our performance ourselves is compared to the previous month, the percentage is increased around 81%. So it is our field data. We can click customer B, or we can clear our filter, and our chart will be like as before. We also can select the category, and if we select category 01, and then our pivot table chart also filter only the different the product category 01 that we can sell in different of month. We just can click here. If we would like to filter, and we can also clear our filter. That's all for today. If you have any question, please comment below. Thank you for your watching.